Bait mo naman, ma'am. At saka maganda ka pa, ma'am. When is it love? Yeah, you see them now loud. These words that never go away. They live on, even when we're gone.
Dahil ikaw ang sigaw ng puso ko, ang nais ko ay malaman mo.
This is DJ Robs.
Pusang na modela. Wala! Pustan! Pwede ka sa modela. Wala! Natawa guys ako. Relaxing ka na tanan. Sumuna ka ng padagat ng pabukid. Pakanal na sa tao.
Ganda ng motor ah. Brum brum ah. Oh my God.
Sanay mong binubuhat, brother.
Ang bagay talaga. Ay, ma'am. Huwag kang matakot, ma'am. Ano lang, ma'am?
Ano? Tagal mo sumagot?
Di ba, humingi ako ng tubig, ma'am? Tubig lang, ma'am? Kasi nauhaw na kasi ako, ma'am. Galing pa ako ng Mindanao ba? Nilakad ko lang ba? Mindanao ba? Oo. Okay. Oo, nauhaw nga ako, ma'am eh. Pwede ba kayo, ma'am? Tubig lang, ma'am. Ay, salamat naman, ma'am. Ma'am, bakit ikaw lang mag-isa dito, ma'am?
May kasama ko pero nandun sila sa taas.
Okay. Okay. Salamat dito, ma'am, ha? Wow. Ang bait mo naman, ma'am. At saka maganda ka pa, ma'am. So,
Hindi naman masyado.
ma'am, kasi binigyan mo naman ako ng tubig, ma'am. Okay lang ba na kantahan lang kita, ma'am? Kasi wala akong pangbayad, ma'am eh. Para masaya naman yung pag-standby mo dito, ma'am ba? Okay lang, ma'am?
Okay lang ya.
Sige, ma'am, ha?
Yeah, boy.
Wala na sirong magalik, ma'am, no?
Wala.
Kantahan kita. Ito din kasi yung, ma'am, hanap buhay ko, ma'am ba? Maganda kanta, gitara. Oh, nanglilimos kasi ako, ma'am.
Mabigat ko mong bola.
Kasi walking alone kasi ako, ma'am, eh.
Kawawa ka naman.
Okay lang, ma'am, nakantahan mo, no? Kahit hindi mo na ako bayaran, ma'am, binigyan mo naman akong tubig, ma'am. Okay lang bang lumapit, ma'am?
Oo,
Okay lang.
Magaling kang kupal ka.
Anywhere you are, I am near. Anywhere you go, I'll be there. Anytime you whisper my name, you'll see how every single promise I give goes what kind of guy would I be if I was to leave when you'd need me more.
Dahil ikaw ang sigaw ng puso ko, ang nais ko ay malaman mo.
What are words if you really don't mean them when you say them? What are words that go only for good times then they don't? When is love? Yeah, you see them now loud. These words they never go away. They live on, even when we're gone.
What are words if you really don't mean them when you say them?
And I know an angel will sing just for me, and I know I'm meant to be where I am when I'm gonna be. It's time to right beside find her tonight, and I'm gonna be by your side. I will never leave when she needs me most. What are words if you really don't mean them when you say them? What are words that go only for good times then they don't? When it's a lie, yeah, you see them out loud. These words that never go away. They live on, even when we're gone.
Beautiful life, beautiful day 미치도록
Anywhere you are, I am near. Anywhere you go, I'll be there. And I'm gonna be here forevermore. How every single promise I keep, 'cause what kind of guy would I be if I was to leave when you need me most? I'm forever keeping my angel close.
sa iyong ngiti.
Yun lang po yun, ma'am.
Thank you.
Salamat, ma'am.
Ay, pagkain mo.
Ay, salamat, ma'am. Huwag na, ma'am.
Sige
Kahit
na.
nakakaya, no?
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Sige na.
Okay lang, ma'am.
Pagkain mo. Sige na.
Oh, salamat, ma'am. Bait mo naman, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am.
Ganda ng kanta mo.
Salamat, ma'am. Alis na ko, ma'am.
Sige.
Sige. Kunin ko na yung, ano, ma'am. Tuwing mo, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Bye-bye.
But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, lend an ear to this ordinary song.
A few moments later.
Ay, ma'am. Balik ko sa yung pira, ma'am. Kasi nag-ano lang kami, gumagawa lang kami ng video, ma'am ba? Oo. Okay lang, ma'am, na.
Vlogger ka pala?
Oo, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am, na i-upload, ma'am, namin sa, sa YouTube at saka
Oo
Facebook.
naman. Oo.
Okay, hi naman sa kamera, ma'am. Kamera mo.
Ay, nagpa-vlog din kami.
Ah, vlog ka rin, ma'am?
Oo.
Anong page mo, ma'am?
Ano, sa Facebook, Miss Pink, Jeffrey, tsaka Queen and Jeffrey, tsaka sa YouTube, Queen and Jeffrey Vines.
Ah, yun pala yung... Parehas pala tayo, ma'am.
Parehas pala tayo.
Salamat, ma'am.